It's 2024, and you're on a quest to demystify the world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're navigating the bear market or gearing up for the next bull run, understanding the jargon is key. So today we're breaking down the 8 most commonly misunderstood crypto terms you need to know to level up your investment game. Oh, and in case you're new here, welcome back to Early Stage Crypto, your go-to channel for everything cryptocurrency. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with the latest crypto insights. Now, let's dive right in, starting with term number 1, or blockchain. A blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across many computers. This technology ensures that the record cannot be altered retroactively, thus making it highly secure. In simpler terms, think of a blockchain as a digital notebook that everyone can see and write in, but once something is written, it can't be erased or changed. Blockchain technology is the foundation of most cryptocurrencies. Each block in the chain contains a list of transactions, and when a new transaction occurs, it's added to a block. These blocks are then linked together, creating a chain of blocks. The decentralized nature of blockchain means no single entity has control, enhancing security and transparency. This decentralized structure is what makes blockchain revolutionary. It eliminates the need for intermediaries, reduces the risk of fraud, and provides a transparent transaction history accessible to anyone. Moving on to decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi refers to financial services that use smart contracts on blockchain technology, bypassing traditional intermediaries like banks. In simple terms, DeFi lets you borrow, lend, and trade money without needing to go to the bank. DeFi includes lending platforms, decentralized exchanges, and yield farming, among others. It aims to create a more open and accessible financial system by allowing anyone with an internet connection to participate. DeFi's rapid growth and innovative solutions are transforming the financial landscape, making it a key area to watch in the crypto space. Imagine being able to lend or borrow funds, trade assets, or earn interest without needing a bank. DeFi makes all this possible through code and decentralized protocols, democratizing access to financial services. Next, we have smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts where the terms are directly written into code. They automatically execute and enforce the terms of a contract when certain conditions are met. In simple terms, a smart contract is like a digital robot that does a job for you automatically when certain things happen. Smart contracts eliminate the need for intermediaries, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. They are used in various applications from DeFi to NFTs and beyond. By automating complex processes, smart contracts pave the way for more streamlined and transparent transactions. Think of smart contracts as digital vending machines. Put simply, you deposit funds and the contract automatically delivers the result, be it transferring ownership, releasing funds, or performing any programmed task without needing a middleman. On to proof of work, or POW. This is a consensus mechanism used by many cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, to validate transactions and secure the network. In simple terms, POW is like a big race where computers compete to solve puzzles, and the winner gets to write the next page in the digital notebook and earns a reward. In a POW system, miners compete to solve complex mathematical problems. The first to solve the problem gets to add a new block to the blockchain and is rewarded with cryptocurrency. This process requires significant computational power, making it secure but energy-intensive. POW ensures the security and integrity of the blockchain, but it also raises concerns about environmental impact due to the high energy consumption of mining operations. Switching gears to proof of stake, or POS. This is another consensus mechanism, but unlike POW, it selects validators based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. In simple terms, proof of stake is like a lottery where the more tickets or coins you have, the higher your chance of being picked to write the next page in the digital notebook and earn a reward. You should know that proof of stake is more energy efficient than proof of work and is used by cryptocurrencies like Ethereum 2.0 and Cardano. Validators are chosen to create new blocks and confirm transactions based on their stake, reducing the need for vast amounts of computational power. This mechanism aims to maintain network security while being more environmentally friendly. Proof of stake encourages long-term participation and loyalty by requiring validators to have a financial stake in the network, aligning their incentives with the network's health and success. Next up, let's discuss non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership of a specific item or piece of content, often used in art, music, and gaming. In simple terms, an NFT is like a digital collectible card that is one of a kind and can't be copied. Each NFT is distinct and cannot be exchanged on a one-to-one basis like regular cryptocurrencies. They are typically bought and sold on blockchain marketplaces and have become popular for their ability to prove ownership and authenticity of digital and physical items. The NFT market has exploded in recent years, creating new opportunities for artists and collectors alike. NFTs have revolutionized the way we think about ownership and value in the digital age, allowing creators to monetize their work and engage with their audiences in new and innovative ways. Now let's talk about wallets. In the crypto world, wallets are used to store, send, and receive digital assets. They come in various forms, including software wallets, hardware wallets, and paper wallets. In simple terms, a crypto wallet is like a digital piggy bank where you keep your cryptocurrency safe. Software wallets are applications or online services that store your private keys. Hardware wallets are physical devices that offer enhanced security by storing keys offline. Paper wallets involve printing your private and public keys on paper. Each type has its pros and cons, but all are essential for managing your cryptocurrencies safely. Understanding the differences between these wallets is crucial for protecting your investments. Software wallets offer convenience, hardware wallets provide security, and paper wallets offer a cold storage solution for long-term holding. Lastly, let's dive into initial coin offerings, or ICOs. An ICO is a fundraising method used by new cryptocurrency projects to raise capital by selling tokens to investors. In simple terms, an ICO is like a crowdfunding campaign where people buy tokens to support a new project, hoping it will succeed and increase in value. ICOs are similar to IPOs or initial public offerings in the stock market, but with fewer regulations. Investors buy tokens with the hope that the project will succeed and the value of the tokens will increase. While ICOs can offer significant returns, they also carry high risks, as the lack of regulation can lead to scams and failed projects. Conducting thorough research and due diligence is essential before participating in an ICO to avoid potential pitfalls and identify promising opportunities. Now that you know the 8 most commonly misunderstood key crypto terms, smash the like button and let us know which term you found most useful in the comments below. Oh, and be sure to subscribe to Early Stage Crypto if you want to know the top 5 mistakes most crypto investors make to ensure you avoid those costly pitfalls, as we'll be dropping that video shortly. And click right here to discover exactly how to make 100x your money on Coinbase alone with no weird wallets or sketchy scam coins required.